Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to take you on a fascinating journey into the world of dairy farming, an essential and dynamic industry. This sector not only plays a vital role in our daily nutrition by providing products such as milk, cheese and yogurt, but it also reflects extraordinary advancements in technology and modern farming practices that continue to evolve and improve over time. Dairy farming focuses on the care and management of dairy cows, particularly those breeds renowned for their high milk production. The subject is, of course, milk, cheese and water, and more particularly, cheese and milk renowned for their health and Among these, high-yielding cows of Dutch origin stand out for their exceptional productivity and strong adaptability. While many livestock species are capable of producing milk, dairy cows are specially bred and nurtured to ensure maximum yield and optimal quality. These cows are at the heart of dairy farming operations, and their care is essential to maintaining the success and sustainability of the farm. Let's start by exploring the fundamentals of dairy cow care. The life cycle of a dairy cow begins with the birth of a calf, which marks the first critical stage in its life. These newborn calves are given meticulous care and are fed their mother's milk during the early stages to ensure they develop strong immunity, robust resistance to diseases, and overall healthy growth. As they grow, the cows are raised in a combination of grazing outdoors and being kept in barns, creating a balanced and efficient living environment. This combination not only allows them to enjoy natural sunlight, which supports their health and boosts their immune system, but also ensures a controlled environment for proper nutrition and protection against harsh weather conditions. The diet of dairy cows is a critical factor directly influencing milk quality and yield. Dairy farms often grow fast-growing, high-quality grasses along with corn to create a nutrient-rich feed source. The primary diet for a herd consists of a mixture of grass and all parts of the corn plant, providing the necessary energy and nutrients for high productivity. It is estimated that a herd can consume up to 900 tons of feed annually. This mixture, usually stored in large quantities, is carefully processed and preserved to ensure a stable supply. In some countries, innovative supplements such as sugar beets are added to the diet to enhance nutritional value. An essential aspect of dairy farming involves ensuring that cows remain cool, particularly during periods of hot weather. Heat stress, which often occurs when temperatures exceed 25 degc, can lead to reduced feed intake and lower milk production. To mitigate this, many farms implement cooling methods such as misting systems, industrial fans, and well-ventilated barns to enhance airflow. In some locations, temperature sensor systems are installed to automatically adjust cooling measures, maintaining an optimal environment that improves cow health and ensures stable milk production. One of the most fascinating aspects of dairy farming is the milking process. Modern farms utilize advanced equipment to ensure this critical stage is carried out efficiently, safely, and hygienically. Cows are guided into specialized milking stations where they are milked automatically while enjoying their meal. Smart milking systems can accurately detect when a cow has been milked to the required amount and automatically disconnect to prevent over-milking. This not only maintains productivity, but also ensures the cows remain healthy, stress-free, and in their natural state. Advanced robotic milking systems take automation to the next level, enabling 24/7 operation with optimal efficiency. After milking, the cows return to their barns, where they are cleaned, cared for, and provided with a comfortable and hygienic environment. Once the milking process is complete, the milking area is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and residues, maintaining a sanitary and safe environment for the cows. This meticulous attention to detail extends to every stage of the milking process to ensure the highest quality milk. After collection, the milk is transported to processing facilities, where it undergoes further treatment to produce familiar products for daily use. When the milk arrives at the factory, it undergoes stringent quality checks to ensure food safety and freshness. Samples are analyzed for microbial content, fat, and protein levels before the milk is sent to modern processing lines. Pasteurization is the first crucial step, eliminating harmful bacteria while retaining the milk's nutritional value. And the milk is rapidly heated using either the Pasteur or UHT, ultra-high temperature, method depending on the product type. Next, the milk is homogenized to improve texture or sent to specialized production lines for products like yogurt, cheese, or butter. Depending on the intended product, additional ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, or flavorings may be added. In addition to being consumed directly as fresh milk, milk is also processed into cheese, a highly nutritious product with diverse flavors and textures. The cheese-making process begins by coagulating milk using rennet enzymes or lactic bacteria to separate it into liquid whey and solid curds. The curds are then cut into smaller pieces, pressed to remove excess whey, and shaped according to the specific type of cheese being produced. Depending on the type of cheese, the curds may be cooked at different temperatures, salted to enhance flavor, or aged for an extended period to develop distinct aromas and characteristics. For mozzarella, the curds are kneaded and stretched to achieve a soft, elastic texture and excellent melting properties, while hard cheeses like Parmesan are aged longer to develop a crumbly texture and robust flavor. Cheese is not only a rich source of nutrition, providing calcium, protein, and essential vitamins, but also an indispensable ingredient in a wide range of dishes, from traditional to modern cuisine. The cheese-making process exemplifies the creativity and ability to maximize the nutritional value of milk, offering a variety of products that cater to diverse consumer preferences. If you enjoyed this documentary, please share your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most fascinating about dairy farming? Are there any aspects you'd like to explore further? Let us know, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more captivating content about the world of agriculture.
Cattle have long stood as symbols of strength, endurance, and sustenance, forces that have shaped human civilization for millennia.
From the windswept plains of Central Asia to the sun-scorched outback of Australia and the vast ranches of the American West, cattle are more than just livestock. They are the backbone of a global agricultural system that feeds billions and fuels a multi-billion-dollar beef and dairy industry. Today, we delve into the world of modern cattle ranching, exploring how technology is being harnessed to manage herds numbering in the tens of thousands, often from high above the ground. Managing a herd of thousands of cattle is no small task. Australia, with its vast land and herd of nearly 29.9 million cattle, has pioneered one of the most visually impressive revolutions in cattle farming, aerial herd management. In areas like South Australia and the Northern Territory, where farms can stretch across 1.3 million acres, helicopters have become an indispensable tool. What used to take 20 horsemen for days can now be accomplished by a single pilot in half a day. This aerial surveillance is not only efficient, but also vital for guiding cattle over rough terrain and guiding them to designated collection points. The process involves carefully maneuvering the helicopter at low altitude, ensuring the herd is grazing calmly and without panic, while ground crews in pickup trucks follow to provide support. While the initial investment in helicopters can be high, the long-term cost-effectiveness and ability to increase meat quality and farm profitability has made them a tool that has revolutionized beef production in Australia. Across the Pacific, the United States boasts more than 28 million cattle, mostly free-range, in states like Texas, Nebraska, and Montana. Ranchers here face similar challenges tracking and managing cattle across thousands of acres. Traditional cowboy grazing methods, while romanticized, are increasingly inefficient in modern times. American ranchers now rely on helicopters and drones to monitor cattle, check for injuries, and guide movement between ranges. Helicopters provide a bird's-eye view, helping ranchers spot health problems early, identify stray cattle, and assess pasture conditions. Some are even equipped with GPS and thermal sensors to locate cattle that may have strayed into remote or dangerous areas, ensuring quick and effective intervention. Meanwhile, drones are emerging as a quieter, more cost-effective alternative, especially for smaller operations. Programmed to fly at specific altitudes and speeds, drones can delicately guide livestock. In California, drones are being used to scan the terrain for coyotes or other threats before ranchers move in. Onboard cameras and real-time imagery allow for constant monitoring, making them an indispensable tool for proactive management. In the alpine pastures of Switzerland, helicopters are also used for rescue missions. Wounded livestock are airlifted in special nets from rugged mountain slopes, demonstrating the life-saving potential of aerial farming. Meanwhile, Central Asia, with its vast steppes and ancient nomadic traditions, is experiencing its own cattle renaissance. Countries such as Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan have embraced both the cultural and economic value of cattle farming. Here, traditional nomadic herding coexists with high-tech livestock management. Cattle roam freely across millions of hectares of grassland, moving with the seasons. Kazakhstan alone has increased its cattle herd by more than 60% over the past 2 decades, aided by a combination of traditional grazing and high-tech farming. Despite the challenges of an arid climate and extreme seasonal weather, the country is breeding hybrids capable of producing up to 18 litres of milk per day, double the output of traditional local breeds, to meet growing international demand for tender, marbled beef and nutritious dairy products. With the application of technology to cattle farming, advanced monitoring systems will track the health, weight, and productivity of cattle, allowing farmers to optimize nutrition and prevent disease. When a cow reaches full maturity, they are ready for market. The cattle are sold to modern slaughterhouses or large farms, where strict hygiene procedures and advanced machinery ensure high-quality cuts of meat. In Central Asia, most beef cattle are brought to crowded livestock markets such as the famous Karakol market in Kyrgyzstan, where traders evaluate calves by their skin, teeth and gait before finalizing the transaction. The beef is usually distributed to local butchers, supermarkets and export facilities. Thanks to traditional grazing practices and modern innovations, Central Asian beef has gained a place on the world's stage. Countries like Russia and China are increasingly relying on Central Asia for high-quality grass-fed beef. Organic farming, free of antibiotics and growth hormones, is expanding rapidly in response to global health trends. This shift reflects not only a demand for better-tasting meat, but also a demand for environmentally responsible farming practices. While approaches vary by region, one thing remains constant. A combination of tradition and innovation is reshaping the cattle industry. From airlifts rescuing injured cattle from alpine pastures in Switzerland to drones scanning California fields for water issues, the global cattle farming community is evolving to meet growing demand while improving animal welfare and sustainability. If you found this journey through the skies and pastures of global livestock farming fascinating, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth livestock documentaries. Leave a comment below and let us know, would you take a helicopter to round up livestock? Tell us what surprised you the most. The bison is a wild icon of North America, known for its muscular, massive body and shaggy coat, often mistaken for the Asian buffalo, which was nearly extinct in the 19th century due to overhunting and widespread habitat destruction. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, bison have made a remarkable comeback, with thousands of animals raised on large ranches across North America. But what is the process of raising, caring for, and finally processing bison? Let's explore that journey in today's video. Today, approximately 359,000 bison are raised as cattle in a few key states, including South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, and Oklahoma. These states, with their wide open spaces and natural grasslands, provide ideal conditions for bison farming. Additionally, approximately 31,000 wild bison still live in protected areas such as national parks. However, the focus of this journey takes us to the heart of America's bison ranching scene. On modern bison ranches, herders herd bison out onto large, fenced pastures where they graze naturally. A healthy adult bison consumes about 24 pounds, or about 11 kilograms of vegetation each day, which is equivalent to the weight of 2 standard bowling balls. Compared to beef, bison contains significantly less fat and cholesterol, making it an increasingly popular choice among health-conscious consumers. Across the country, there are 513 bison ranches of varying sizes, with South Dakota leading the way, boasting 104 ranches and accounting for 24% of the nation's bison population. Nebraska is second with about 23,000 animals. Montana, Colorado, and Oklahoma each raise about 10,000 to 11,000 bison on ranches spread across their rural landscapes. Every 6 months, the herds undergo health checks, including vaccinations and weight assessments. This process involves herding bison into specially designed metal pens to ensure the safety of both the animals and the handlers. The sheer size and strength of bison means that without such pens, it would take several people to house just one animal. During mating season, which lasts from June to September, male bison often engage in intense fighting for mating rights. Bison reproduction is carefully monitored on these farms. After a gestation period of about 283 days, female bison, or cows, give birth to calves that weigh an average of 55 pounds at birth, about 30% heavier than their wild counterparts, thanks to selective breeding and better nutrition. Approximately 113,000 bison calves are born each year in the United States, although about 2% do not survive the birthing process. After birth, calves stay with their mothers for about 7 months before the weaning process begins. This period is essential for their development and ensures strong immunity and growth. An adult bison can weigh up to 1,800 pounds for males, while females average about 960 pounds. To maintain their weight and energy levels, each bison consumes about 3% of their body weight in food each day. Despite their massive size, bison are agile animals. To protect the animals from predators like wolves, especially in places like Montana, bison are herded into pens every night, and fences are built to protect the animals from attack. Bison ranchers often attend cattle auctions such as those held in Missouri, where hundreds of bison are brought in, sorted into pens of 5 to 8 animals and bid on based on their age, appearance, and reproductive history. The market value of a 2-year-old bison ranges from $3,500.00 to $7,000.00, depending on a variety of factors. In addition to pasture, the bison industry also extends into food production. With 62 farms across the state, Montana slaughters about 1,400 bison each year. The meat is lean, tender, and slightly sweet, providing a rich flavor experience that many consider superior to traditional beef. On average, about 20,300 bison are slaughtered in the United States each year, generating about $384 million, 0 cents, in revenue for the livestock industry. From the open grasslands of South Dakota to the bustling cattle markets of Missouri, the journey of the American bison is both a testament to conservation efforts and a thriving agricultural model. The industry not only contributes to the economy, but also plays a role in preserving a species that was once nearly extinct. Through responsible farming practices, attention to animal welfare, and respect for the natural rhythms of life, ranchers across the country are keeping the American bison legacy alive. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible journey of bison farming in the United States, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried bison beef or visited a bison farm? We'd love to hear what you think. Did you know that there are more than 1.2 billion sheep in the world today? Known as walking cotton balls, sheep not only provide wool, milk, and meat, but also have been with humans for thousands of years. From the green pastures of Australia, the Scottish Highlands, to the steppes of Central Asia, sheep continue to affirm their important role in global life and economy. So what makes this familiar animal an indispensable link? Let's explore their special journey right after this. Australia, often referred to as the sheep capital of the world, has been at the centre of this story for decades. With a national sheep herd of around 70 million, Australia dominates the global export market, shipping an average of 3 million live sheep each year to destinations such as the Middle East, where lamb is a prized delicacy. These exports alone contribute around $65 million, 0 cents, to the Australian economy each year, making the trade both a cultural icon and an economic mainstay. To give some sense of scale, if all the sheep exported from Australia in a year were lined up, they could stretch across the width of Europe. In addition to exports, Australia and New Zealand also lead the world in wool production, with merino wool considered the finest and softest textile, used in everything from luxury suits to high-performance sportswear. But how does a lamb born as a helpless lamb on a modern farm end up as part of a global supply chain that spans oceans and continents? The journey begins long before export, on carefully managed sheep farms where animal welfare and efficiency go hand in hand. Sheep have a gestation period of around 5 months, and ewes about to give birth are moved to designated clean birthing areas 2 to 4 weeks before birth. The first milk, called colostrum, is rich in antibodies and crucial for the survival of newborn lambs. Farmers ensure that each lamb receives this vital nutrient within the first hour or two of birth. If a ewe does not produce enough milk, the colostrum is collected and bottle-fed, ensuring no lamb is left behind. By the time lambs are 2 or 3 weeks old, their digestive systems are ready for solid food. Farmers feed them a carefully balanced starter diet of hay, oats, cornmeal, and trace minerals. This diet promotes faster growth and strengthens their immune systems. In modern operations, each lamb is fitted with an RFID ear tag, allowing farmers to track health data, feeding schedules, and growth rates with incredible accuracy. Using handheld RFID readers or automated scanners, farmers can instantly access detailed information about each animal, making herd management more efficient than ever. The feeding systems on these farms are equally advanced. Automated conveyor belts and robotic dispensers dispense perfectly portioned rations of hay, straw, silage, and grain, minimizing waste and ensuring every animal gets the nutrition it needs. Over the course of 4 to 6 months, the lambs grow into healthy lambs, averaging around 50 kg, ready for shearing, milking, or export. The average Australian sheep weighs around 110 pounds, about 45 kg, enough to produce nearly 60 servings of lamb, underscoring the enormous value each animal brings to the global food supply chain. For sheep destined for international markets, rigorous inspection procedures ensure only the healthiest animals are exported. Automated weighing systems can process dozens of sheep per minute, recording precise measurements, while veterinarians conduct comprehensive health checks, checking eyes, noses, feet, and wool condition. Sheep are vaccinated to boost immunity and ensure breeding efficiency, and some farms also shave their sheep before transport to make them more comfortable. Transporting millions of sheep across the ocean requires a massive logistical effort. Livestock trucks, built from 2 to 4 stories high, can carry up to 400 sheep at a time and use non-slip floors, ventilation systems and water dispensers to keep the animals safe and hydrated. Once at port, the sheep are led via stress-free ramps onto specialized livestock carriers, giant ships with 5 to 7 stories high that can carry up to 70,000 sheep at a time. On board, advanced systems regulate temperatures between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit using misting and ventilation, while veterinarians monitor them constantly. Each day, the sheep consume more than 12 tons of feed and 21,000 gallons of water during the long journeys, an operation the size of a small city. Of course, sheep farming is not just for meat and export. Dairy sheep, while less common than cows or goats, are prized for their abundant milk, which is rich in fat and protein. A ewe can produce milk for 150 to 240 days after giving birth, and this milk is turned into premium cheeses such as Roquefort in France, Manchego in Spain, and Pecorino Romano in Italy. These cheeses have a long tradition but are now produced using automated milking machines and pasteurized equipment to ensure hygiene and efficiency. In fact, the European sheep dairy industry alone produces nearly 4 million tons of milk a year, reflecting the growing global demand for premium dairy products. Sheep may seem insignificant, but they are at the heart of a global network that drives economies, sustains traditions, and provides food and clothing for millions. So, the next time you see a sweater or savor a tender lamb dish, remember the incredible journey that started on a farm and crossed the ocean to get to you. If you enjoyed this fascinating look into the world of sheep farming, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening stories from the heart of farming. Did you know that every year hundreds of millions of rabbits are raised around the world to meet the demand for sustainable protein? From an innocent image in fairy tales to a symbol of vitality, rabbits have now become the foundation of a multi-billion-dollar agricultural industry. With the ability to reproduce quickly, lean meat, clean and environmentally friendly, rabbits are increasingly asserting their role in the global food chain. So how does the journey from breeding, caring for, and processing of this small animal take place? Let's find out right away. Rabbits in China are raised in a variety of environments, from primitive cages with dirt floors and solid brick walls to protect them from strong winds, to more established but hygienic breeding complexes. A typical meat rabbit farm in China usually has at least 100 rabbits, as they reproduce rapidly. Rabbits are often kept in cages, and even when pregnant, they are kept in isolation cages made of bamboo or wire mesh to allow easy monitoring during pregnancy. Otherwise, they will give birth in burrows. Large-scale rabbit farms, often built with modern barns, ensure good ventilation and temperatures that are not too hot for optimal growth. The most popular rabbit breeds for meat production in China today are the California White and the New Zealand White. Most rabbits can become pregnant as early as 4 to 5 months of age. Some farms use artificial insemination, while others use natural insemination. The gestation period for rabbits is about 30 days, with each litter containing 6 to 8 babies. They can give birth up to 6 times a year. For the first 30 days, the baby rabbits are fed on their mother's milk. They are then separated by sex and placed in separate cages. 70% of the male rabbits are raised for meat, while the female rabbits are raised for continued reproduction. Between 30 and 70 days of age, farmers begin to teach the rabbits to eat vegetables. After 70 days of age, the rabbits are supplemented with foods that are easy to accumulate fat. The fattening stage, from 90 to 120 days of age, promotes strong muscle development. During this stage, the rabbits are fed a diet rich in starches, such as corn and rice, combined with fresh vegetables and pellets. Rabbits grow rapidly and reach their ideal slaughter age between 3 and 5 months, weighing between 2 and 5 kg. As a supplementary source of income, farmers also collect rabbit manure during rearing and sell it as organic fertilizer to nearby vegetable farms. Nutritional analysis shows that rabbit meat is superior to other livestock and poultry meat in terms of protein content and has the lowest fat content of all meats. Once the rabbits reach market weight, they are transported to processing plants. These facilities are designed to process large volumes quickly, efficiently, and cleanly. Upon arrival, the rabbits are hung by their hind legs on hooks, a method that helps stabilize them for the next steps. The first step after hanging is skinning. In smaller or traditional facilities, workers manually remove the fur and skin by making precise incisions around the hind legs and pulling the hide downward in one smooth motion. In modern plants, semi-automatic skinning machines assist by gripping and pulling the hide away from the body, ensuring speed and hygiene. After skinning, the process continues with evisceration, in which the internal organs are removed. While organs such as the liver, heart, and lungs are retained for use in cooking, the uneaten parts are discarded as waste. For fresh meat products, the rabbits are divided into parts such as thighs, carcasses, loins, and other parts using high-precision cutting machines. These cuts are quickly transferred to cold storage rooms where they are kept fresh before being packaged and transported to markets. This industrial, yet hygienic process allows rabbit meat to be supplied to major urban centres and international markets. In addition to its economic value from meat, rabbit fur is also widely used in life. Thanks to its soft, warm, and lightweight properties, rabbit fur, especially long fur, is often used to produce products such as sweaters, scarves, gloves, and high-quality blankets. In addition to the textile industry, some types of rabbit fur are also used as materials in the handicraft industry, or as stuffing inside toys, pillows, and decorative products. This is a testament to the ability to make the most of rabbits, not only in food but also in supporting industries. Today, China's main rabbit-raising areas are concentrated in Fujian, Henan, and Sichuan provinces, which are the world's largest rabbit meat production centers. Every year, the Chinese people consume up to 300 million rabbits, a figure that reflects not only the scale of production, but also the deep cultural and culinary appreciation for rabbit meat. More than just a tabletop symbol, the rabbit also has deep cultural significance. The Easter Bunny, originating in 17th century German folklore, has become one of the most beloved symbols of spring and new life. Paradoxically, the very creature that carries chocolate eggs in children's stories is also a nutritious food source that feeds millions of people. This duality highlights the rabbit's unique place in human society, connecting myth, culture, and life. From bustling city streets to sleepy rural villages, rabbit is sold, grilled, boiled, and prepared in a variety of regional dishes that highlight the country's culinary creativity. In street markets, chefs whip up rabbit skewers, spicy stir-fries, and savory stews, each a testament to centuries of culinary tradition combined with modern innovation. If you found this journey into the world of rabbit farming interesting, don't forget to leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Would you like to try rabbit meat, or is it too close to the Easter Bunny to bear? Either way, your voice matters. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Agriculture in Sight, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more insights into our mysterious world of farming. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.
Every year, more than 600 million turkeys are raised worldwide, a staggering number that's nearly the size of the population of North.
Turkey isn't just a holiday staple, it's also a healthy choice, low in fat and high in protein. But behind every delicious slice of meat lies a complex, modern farming and processing process. Today, we'll take you on a journey from egg to plate through the global turkey industry. In the United States alone, more than 250 million turkeys are raised each year, accounting for nearly 47% of the global total. Turkeys have long been a cultural symbol of major holidays such as Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. States such as Minnesota, North Carolina, and Arkansas lead the industry, with large-scale farms spanning hundreds of acres. Today's commercial turkeys, especially the broad-breasted white variety, have been selectively bred for large breasts and high growth rates. However, this breeding process has had its consequences. Due to their unique anatomy, they cannot mate naturally, forcing farmers to use artificial insemination. In strictly sanitary facilities, male turkeys or roosters are manually collected for semen. Skilled technicians carefully stimulate the birds, collecting the semen using specialized equipment. A single technician can inseminate between 1,000 and 3,000 hens in a day, ensuring continuous egg production across the farm. After fertilization, the hens are kept in individual cages where lighting, noise, and temperature are strictly controlled. Even small fluctuations in environmental conditions can affect fertility by up to 30%. Within a few days, the hens begin to lay eggs, each capable of producing up to 100 eggs in its cycle. These eggs roll gently down a conveyor belt and are transferred to temperature-controlled storage trays designed to prevent cracking or deformation. They are then transferred to the hatchery, where automated incubators maintain a precise temperature of 37 to 38 degrees. Here, the eggs are periodically turned to simulate the natural nesting process and ensure even heat distribution. After 28 days, the tiny chicks signal the start of hatching. The newly hatched chicks break out of their shells and are immediately placed in trays for post-hatch processing. They pass through a rapid cleaning machine that removes any remaining shell fragments, a task that used to take up to 15 minutes per chick, but now takes just seconds. The next step is sex sorting, which is done manually by experienced handlers who separate the males from the females based on size and feather pattern. The hens, prized for their meat yield, are vaccinated against common poultry diseases such as avian influenza, E. coli, and enteritis. They are then placed in ventilated trays and transported in temperature-controlled vehicles, maintained at 32 to 35 degrees seaside to the satellite farms for rearing. Once on the farm, the chicks are housed in specially prepared barns lined with straw or wood chips to absorb moisture and keep them warm. These first few days are crucial because turkeys need help finding food and water. Farmers spread concentrated, protein-rich pellets directly on the ground and provide shallow water trays. Within a week, chicks can grow to more than 400 grams, and within a month, they grow nearly 80% faster than broilers. By the time the turkeys are 2 months old, they will have developed their distinctive features: bright white feathers, nearly bare necks, and sparkling eyes. As they continue to grow, their living quarters become more cramped. Adult turkeys can weigh between 25 and 45 pounds, depending on sex and breed. Once the barns are crowded and the birds reach their full maturity, the harvest begins. Turkeys are usually caught at night when they are less active and less stressed. Workers carefully collect the birds and load them into ventilated shipping crates, each holding 4 to 6 turkeys. The turkeys are then transported to processing plants in specially equipped trucks with non-slip floors and proper ventilation. Upon arrival, they are briefly weighed and examined for health. To minimize stress, the facilities use soft blue lighting during unloading. Once inside, the turkeys are stunned and immersed in hot water tanks to loosen the feathers. Soft rubber rollers then remove the feathers without damaging the skin, and automated blades remove the legs and wings with millisecond precision. Internal organs are removed with suction devices, and valuable byproducts such as livers and hearts are sent down separate conveyor belts for further processing. Carcasses are passed through chemical cleaning baths, often containing hydrogen peroxide or parasitic acid, to ensure safety and improve appearance. The turkeys are then rinsed with clean water and dried with high-speed hot air systems. Optical scanners equipped with high-speed cameras inspect each bird for defects, diverting any substandard specimens from the main line. Next, precision machines de-wing, de-flesh and de-bone the thighs using curved blades and pressure sensors. Each cut is made to maximize yield and minimize waste. Finally, the various cuts are transferred to automated packaging lines. Electronic scales ensure each tray is filled accurately, and vacuum-sealed packages are labelled with QR codes to track the turkey's journey from farm to table. Hundreds of cuts roll off the line every minute into cold storage units, ready for national and international distribution. If you find this turkey farming and cooking journey fascinating, be sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of modern agriculture and food production. Your support helps us bring more behind-the-scenes stories to light, stories that reveal the hard work, science, and care behind the food on your plate.